Now let's first select the bone related to the eye, go to the bone, and give the Make Smart bone dial. Then a box called Create Smart Dial will open on the screen. Give that box a name. Minimum angle equals -60, maximum angle equals +60. Then the bone we selected will turn red. Also, points will be created on the timeline based on the values we gave. Now select those 2 points, right-click with the mouse and select Smooth. Then we select the 2 points and they turn red. When we change the value on the timeline, the red bone also moves. We set the timeline to 120. Place the mouse pointer on the eyelid, press Alt on the keyboard, and right-click the mouse. The eye group will open and the corresponding layer will be selected. Now use the transform points in the tools and make it look like the eye is closed. Now make the other eye in the same way. Now move the timeline 60 degrees and use the transform bone tools to make the bone corresponding to the eye stand straight. Now take the transform point tools and use the curvature tools to make the eye look like it is open normally. Now make the other eye in the same way. Now place it on frame 1 of the timeline and make the eyes look bigger as before. Use tools to create changes in the eyebrows related to the eye changes. Now go to Actions and click on Mainline. Now let's see how to make the mouth. Select the bone. Now give the bone you just created a name. Now go to Show Table and Ticket. Now go to Bone Constraints and check the angle constraints. Now go to Actions and click New Action. Then the name of the bone we selected will appear on a separate screen. Click OK. Go to S from Bone and rotate the bone we selected so that it is facing up. Now move the mouse pointer over the mouth and right-click on the mouth with the Alt key on the keyboard. Then the group corresponding to the mouth will open. Now go to Select Point and select the two desired points and take the Transform tools and move the 2 points up as shown on the screen. At that time, we see that a frame 1 point is added to the timeline. Now click on the main link in the action. Now, in the same way, create the other shapes of the mouth as they appear on the screen. I forgot one thing. Sorry. Bind the black eye sockets to the corresponding bone. Now select the bone that controls the black ring of the eye and give it a name. Now select the bone we named in the position control bone in the bone constraints. Then go to frame 1 and select the transform bone in the tools. It will work, right? Now select the bone for the hand and go to bone constraints and check the angle constraints. Set the MN / max to -90 and give 0 to the other side. Then give new action an action. Now open the character we created and open the hand group in the hand group. Keep the frame on the timeline at 0 and click on it as shown on the screen. Then it will add a point to the timeline. Add everything else to the timeline in the same way. Now close the hand group and close the character group as well. Now take the transform bone and move the select bone down as shown on the screen and click on the main line. Make the other palm in the same way. Let's learn in the next tutorial how to give a 3D look to the 2D character we created.